Hey, my friends, Sal DiGuardia here, and this is Rebuilding Me brick by brick. So 8 minutes of the game actually worth watching, but I will say being from New York as a diehard New York Giants fan, to watch Bill Belichick and Tom Brady and what they've accomplished is legendary. Absolutely legendary. Kudos to those guys and just continued success, and wish them blessings on whatever's in store for them in the next chapter of their lives. Now, that being said, it occurs to me as I woke this morning to the sweet, sweet sounds of Adam Levine serenading me with his golden voice over and over and over again, because my wife set all of her wake-up alarms to Maroon 5 songs, that I've actually had a massive breakthrough. So you see, last night as this and this and this and this were all going on, and my wife and the other ladies that were at the party that we were at needed to clean up on aisle drool, I realized something. I wasn't jealous. Shocker, because 20 years ago, the exact opposite was true. I'm actually embarrassed to tell you that I wrecked our 1991 Prelude because I freaked out over the way that she was talking to somebody from our church youth ministry leadership team. So in an effort to display my anger and displease with her, I wrecked the car just to show her how absolutely disgraceful she was towards me, which of course translates into I was a jealous little bitch. But truthfully today, I'd like to believe that I've done a lot of work just to be more comfortable with who I am and more comfortable in my own skin. And honestly, just not fazed over my wife going gaga over this. The good news is that today we're both secure in our marriage. We understand how important we are to each other, and we actually divorced and reconciled within the last couple of years, which even drove the point home further. And now we're totally laser focused on what we want in our relationship, how we feel about each other, and supporting each other. It also doesn't hurt that we also know each other's top fives. And so while that means I know she has a slim chance with Bradley Cooper, Adam Levine, Derek Jeter, Steve Finley, or Brett Michaels? Brett Michaels, babe, really? In turn, she knows I would turn blue and collapse if I ever held my breath for either Tyra, Janet, Scarlett Johansson, Jessica Alba, or Rachel McAdams to show up and knock on our door. At the end of the day, the 2019 halftime show and everything that goes along with it, including comparisons to Nipplegate, it's just never going to compare to the 2008 Pepsi Smash show with Maroon 5, where Mary J joined them on stage. Bucket list check. And overall, the entire experience will just never compare, at least for me, to my beloved New York Giants topping the Patriots 17-14 in the football game that followed that concert the very next day. Hey, my friends, thank you so much for spending the time with me. I truly appreciate it. And if you would, as we're growing the Rebuilding Me community, go ahead and like and subscribe. You can do that now. There's a subscribe right down here in the corner. And if you think this content might be something that maybe another guy that you know would enjoy or maybe benefit from, go ahead and share it with them. And don't forget to hit the bell. That'll actually let you know when we upload videos. So not just subscribe to the channel, but also getting those notifications when we upload quick ones like this, brick by brick, or the long form interviews as well. Worst championship game in NFL history? You be the judge. Comment below. Let me know what you think.